Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inkscape tutorials how to draw hexagon. Okay, to draw hexagon in Inkscape, you can use these tools, star or polygon tools, click. And for hexagon, we need to change for the corner into 6, you can click it, change into 6 and click at this option, polygon. After that, you can click on a canvas, hold to draw the hexagon, like this. If you done, you can release, and we already create this hexagon object. To draw another object, you can click at this option. I will set corner like into 5, or you can set into 7. If you done, click at these icons to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Inkscape tutorials how to draw hexagon. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.